Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tie an unconventional bridal gele with bow in the middle. You get, so keep watching. Measurement for this style is 50-50 and it's a round base gele. The size of the gele that we are using is 75, but there's one thing I want to say. If you want to look more sweet, more classy, more fine, you should use a gele that is bigger than this one. But right into the video. Is a round base. We are going to make 7 to 8 pleats. Place in front of your head, cross at the back, then bring forward. When you bring forward and you pleat, you're going to make 4 to 5 pleats. Then keep aside, or you tell your assistant to hold for you. If you're doing it on a mannequin, you're just going to pin it down for the time being. Then you go to the other flap, repeat the same 4 to 5 pleats, then you tie. If you know how to tie center knot gele, this gele is not going to be hard for you. You get, so keep watching. Now when we want to tie, we are not going to tie everything. Where your 4 to 5 pleats stop, that's where you're going to pick. Can you see what I'm doing? Then you knot. Now you're going to tie once, you won't tie twice. So ensure that the gele is tight on the person's head. Then the flap that is in front, that's when you've done your tying, when you've done the knot the first time. The flap that is in front, that's what you're going to use to make your bow. This is our chairman for today. This is our oga for today. So once you know how to do this one, you're pretty done with every other thing. When you're done knotting it, you're going to expand that flap that is in front. Then you arrange it to your taste. Then you go ahead to bring the other one that is at the back. You know where you're tying it now, one is at the back, one is in front. The other one at the back, you're going to arrange it properly and neatly and use it to cover the bow, as in use it to pin at the middle of the bow. Arrange it properly, pin it to the base, then it's going to bring out your bow shape. Now why I said you can use a bigger fabric, you can use a bigger gele to do this, is so that everything is going to stand out. It's not just going to look small like this. You get so that's just it. Now when you brought the one at the back forward, you arrange it properly, pin to base like I said before. Then you go ahead to start making your pleats on both flaps that you have. You make your pleats as if you're making your round gele. You ensure that one is not bigger than the other. Everything should be the same and uniform. When you're done making your pleats, you pin to that hump that is at that bow side. Just pin it for the meantime. You go ahead to repeat the same thing on the second flap. So keep watching. And there's something I just want to chip in right here. You can tie this style for a bride. You can tie this style for ashwebi. That's if the person requested for it, you get. But the thing is that the price, or you pricing this one and the one that we did previously, you can check on my channel. The pricing for this one and the pricing of that other one that we did before this gele is not the same. When you're putting or placing your pricing, you're going to calculate the time and complexity of the style that you're tying. You get, so you're not going to tie this one for, let me say for example, prices are different in the various places. Like the price of tying gele in Lagos is different from the price of tying gele in Port Harcourt. You get, but let me just give you, say you're tying your gele 5,000 which is something, I don't want to say anything, but let's just say you're tying your gele 5,000. The price of you tying this one 5,000 is not going to be the same with the price of the previous video that I just uploaded. It's not going to be the same thing. That one is definitely going to be higher than this one, so just take note. Now after we are done making pleats on both parts, we are going to join it together. That's why I said when you make pleats on the first one, just pin it to that hump there. Then when you're done with the pleats on the second one, you remove the pin, join both together, pin and arrange and style to your taste. Ensure that everything is neat. You get, we are like 80% done with our gele. Arrange properly, do finishing touches, then go to the back and cover up properly. And also ensure, I keep saying this in almost all my videos, also ensure that the way your gele is at the neck side is always the same. Let one not be, down than the other. Let one not be down, the other one be up. Everything should just be equal and of the same frequency. I hope you get. Now we are going to arrange and cover the back properly and do everything we are supposed to do. This gele is pretty easy. The main occasion or the standout thing is just that bow, which makes it different from your regular center knot gele. If you've watched up to this extent, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. That's if you've not yet subscribed, subscribe and share my videos so that other people will get to see and learn. So this is our gele, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. See how fine it is. Bye guys.